back, everyone. So happy to see you guys for today. So we are going to make Milkmaid dress top that will have a striped sleeve and just the front that we are going to show you how to make it. And so please have your fabric and get along with me, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end, share it for others to wear, and by the time you finish wearing sewing it, you will see how it will look like, very beautiful. So let's dive in now and let's get started. I've folded out my fabric now, so I'll go ahead now to take my length, and before then the stripe sleeve that we have is 5 inches, so that will determine what I will take out. So it's 5 inch and my under bust is 14. By the time we sew and join it together, so I'm going to add 1 inch, so that means what we are marking out here is 15 inches. So that is our 15 inches now. So let me cut out the one that remained, that is the excess. So after this now, we'll go ahead now to measure what I want. So for the width also that I folded is 14.5 inches. So that will be enough for us for the Milkmaid. So what I will do now, I will just go ahead now to go and take it to the machine and gather it out, because all of this is what we are going to sew. So I will go and fold this down, and now use our elastic to pass at the upper part and the under part, and it will fold and bob out. That is for the under. So let me do that now. So you can also use your jacket to wear it by the time you finish wearing it, and also have a fine fabric that will come out together. So I will go and join it and sew it now and gather this side of it and the other side. So let me do that on the machine now. So I'm going to run the stitch at the both side, the upper side and the down side of it, and I'm going to use 1/2 inch for the elastic to pass it. So I will do that now. So I will start from this side of it now to pass it. So I hope you are seeing what I'm doing here now. So just to pass it like this, and then you start to draw it, and to form that gathers. So that is it now. Pass the one side of it, so the second upper part is what I want to pass now. So I will go ahead now to fix it again like this and start to pass it like this, so you can see how I'm doing it now. So please watch this video down to the end, and also share it for others to see, and subscribe if you have not done that. Also comment. So what I will do now, we use my pin to pin it down like this, so that this one that we face here will not move, and then we'll continue to fix it like this, just to continue doing it. It will have a stripe sleeve, so I will also show you the next step, that is to cut the stripe sleeve, and then we'll fix it. So I've told you earlier that we are just doing the front, we are not going to cut the back, but just to show you this style of it now, so you can see how it is now. So let's cut the stripe sleeve now. The stripe sleeve that I'm going to cut out now, so it's the two sleeves that I want to cut out. So what I have here is 3 inches, so that means it will be 1.5 inches if you should fold it like this. So what I will just do now, just to use my scissors and cut it out. And remember, what we remove from our tape is 5 inches, but we will not make it up to 5 inches. We will make it more than 5 inches, because by the time we sew it, it will not come back to that 5 inches. So what I have here now is 11.5 inches. All right, so let me open it and take it to the machine to go and stitch the two sleeves, and then turn it out and iron it, and then fix it on the Milkmaid top that we are making. So this is it now. So this is one of the sleeve, this is one of the sleeves. So what I will just do now, just to go and stitch it like it and turn it out and iron it. So I will do that now. I'm going to sew it out and iron it out. So the next step now is for us now to bring out the one that we are making now and fix it. So I'm going to use pin to pin it to show you what I'm going to go and do on the machine first. So this is it. So we just fix it this way like this. So that is how it will be. So I'm pinning it to show you what I will go and do on the machine, like to stitch it down. So this is one of the sleeve here. So taking this one out again, I will also fix it, like to pin it again. So I'm going to pin it like this, and then going to do it like this. So you can see how it is now. So this I'm going to do it now. So that is it. Now I've fix it now. So as you can see, this how it will be. So this is our making made now. It has come out, and this is how you are going to wear it. So please add your fabric and do this style. You can see that it's so easy to achieve. So thank you once more for watching, and share my video. Watch this video down to the end. Comment. I will see your comment when you comment in my comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you. Thank you. Bye bye.